Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can create your own business account on Twitter. And although it is not a very complicated thing to do, but still we're going to be briefly discussing how you can set up and manage a Twitter account for your business or brand. So the first things that you need to consider is to have a creative and unique username. Now remember, this is something that's going to represent your brand on Twitter, and Twitter is a widely known platform. It is extensive and it is very useful when it comes to trends and hashtags, so use your power carefully. You can advertise and promote your brand on Twitter if you play your cards right. So you should go with a username that is creative and unique. Do not include any numbers in it. Make it unique. Include only letters. And try go for something like the original space your brand name and something like that. Do not include any personal details or anything like that in your business's username as well. So your brand's username on Twitter should be something different and unique, and it should stand out from its competitors. You can give any of your phone numbers here, anything that you want to give or you're comfortable Twitter knowing. And in the date of birth section, you can add the basic origin of your company, and you can write about the month, day, and year your company was found. So this is a very basic and brief guide, and after that, you can keep going on. You can add a profile picture and you can add other components in your profile in order to optimize it to make it look appealing. This is something we're going to be further discussing in other videos. And this was just a brief and basic guide on how you can go for a suitable Twitter username and how you can create your account with it.